My ABCs. Alright. How many letters are in the alphabet?
There's 26 letters, sir.
Yep. I want to see 26 photos then.
How we take photos?
Your cell phone has one, man.
Oh, the phone.
You're 10 years old. The world is literally in the palm of your hands.
Will this be on the test?
So alright. Okay, think outside the box. No apples, no bananas. You feeling me? Alright.
Hey guys. Bye.
So 26 photos of things from each letter of the alphabet. Now, let's start with A. An accident.
Ow, that actually hurt.
Been an accident, call ambulance.
You okay? No. You okay there? I have a big boo-boo.
All right, my first one. A for ambulance. Better take a photo. The letter A for ambulance. Now, what's something that starts with the letter B? What could start with B? A bulldozer. B for bulldozer. All right, three things starting with C. Cash, cargo, convenience store. All right. C for cash, cargo, convenience. That's cool. D for dump truck. All right. Letter D, dump truck.
Hey, Mickey, I got to go. The thing won't start. Let's have a look at the engine. Yep, that'll be the problem.
Oh, it's so cool. Look at that. Everyone's going to take a photo of an excavator, but I'm going to take a photo of an engine. Yeah. E for engine. Vroom.
I got a ticket. Hey, mister, I got a ticket. Can I get on? Can I get in the parachute? I got a ticket. Yay!
Yes, just tall enough. One kid's ticket to the Ferris wheel, please.
$16, kid.
16 bucks? This is going to be the coolest selfie ever. This is so much fun and relaxing. Time for a selfie. Look out. F for Ferris wheel. Right along on my pushback, honey. When I notice you, garbage truck.
Who can take your trash out? Stomp it down for you. Shake the plastic bag and...
There's a cool job. A waste management technician.
Oh, the garbage man can. The garbage man can.
All right, the letter G. Say G. G for garbage truck. What's that noise? Oh, how cool, it's a helicopter. H for helicopter. That's cool. That's like 3 in the same spot. All right. H for helicopter. What else starts with I? Is there any vehicles that start with I? Ice cream, igloo, iguanas. Oh, only in Mexico. I don't know. This is a hard one. Really stuck. But only there was a sign.
Hello, sir. Welcome to the Playmobil Inn. May I take your order?
Of course.
Hello.
The Playmobil in.
Hello.
Letter I in.
Oh, crikey, the motor's overheated again. Oh, what will I do?
Hey, mister, what colour is that?
G'day there, little fella. It's a Jeep.
Oh, cool. J for Jeep. Woohoo. J for Jeep.
We are the knights who say
We are the knights who knights say nee. We are the knights who knights say no. We are the knights who knights say nee.
Yay, K for keyboard and K for knights that say nee. K for keyboard, knight. You look so pretty as you run along. You look so pretty as you were singing this song. Hey, mister, that's so cool. What is this?
Just hang on one sec, I'll come around. Just hang on there, kid. Can't hear you. This is called a lorry. Step back and I'll lower the thing down.
Okay. L for lorry. Haha! Never knew that one. Learn something new every day. Letter L, lorry.
What's up?
Fully sick motorbike. I didn't know you ride, sir. I thought the jacket was just to look cool.
Actually, it's a motorcycle.
Oh, better take a photo. That's my next letter. M for motorcycle. Come on, pass me the ball. Pass me the ball. Come on, get past me. Come on. But you gotta get past me. Pass me the ball. Come on, get past me. Come on.
Swish. Nothing but net.
Oh, how cool, net. Letter N for net.
Whoa.
Ah!
Ah.
Whoa. Hey, that's slippery. That's some oil. O for oil spill.
Ba-bum.
Bip, 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 bip.
Bam, 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 bam.
Oh, this is so cool. What if they give me a selfie? Hey, buddy, can I get a selfie?
Of course you can, little man. Just be careful.
All right, selfie with the police. P for police. Run along on a bicycle, baby. It's what I used to do. Having some fun with a bicycle, baby. It's what I used to do. You look so pretty as you ride along. Hey, man, I'm hungry. Hey, Scotty, I'm hungry. What do you got that's fresh?
Hey, buddy. You want a quesadilla? I got one right here for you.
Thank you. All right, Q for quesadilla. No, queso, cushy. Oh, I don't know. Let's just take a photo of the quad bike. That'll be a lot easier. Okay, stand still. Let's see if I get both of them focused. No, I can't. Q for quad bike. Oh boy, this is gonna be so good. I'm gonna eat this. It's gonna be so good. What's that noise? What is that? Oh, I'm not scared of nothing. This ain't nothing. I've seen too many horror films and nothing bad ever happens. And look at the strange noise. Letter R for rat. Ooh, I was lucky. Oh, hey, I got a photo of a rat. Now I gotta find a photo of S. Oh, I might just use that peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ugh, yuck. S for sandwich. Yeah, alright, I'm getting off the road.
Meep meep.
You tractors think you own the road. Newsflash! It's for the cars. Oh wait, the letter T. T for tractor. Hey Scotty, do you know of any vehicles or things that start with the letter U? Oh, Captain Obvious, it's right there in front of me. U for umbrella. Now what's the next letter? I always forget this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, Y. Well, that's not right.
Hey kid, you want some vegetables?
Scotty, you're a genius. The letter V. V for vegetable. All right, U and V. Off to find W.
Hey Scotty, got the veggies you wanted in my wheelbarrow.
Hey, wait! It's a wheelbarrow! The letter W. Cool beans. W for wheelbarrow.
You kids today just live on your phones. You need to live off the candy. That's what you need to do. Your x-rays show a cavity.
Oh yeah, X-ray. X for X-ray. I got my X letter. Yay! Letter X. X-ray. Oh, gotta find something starting with Y. What's something that starts with Y around here? There's no yachts. What over here? I mean, hello? Any Ys? I need a Y. Hello? Any Ys? Come on, it's gotta be a Y out here somewhere. Oh, come on, show me a Y. I don't know where to go. What about over here? No, that's not a Y. What's a Y? Come on, it's gotta be a Y around here somewhere. Oh, I wish I was rich. I could have a yacht. Oh, I don't know where to go. Oh, what about over? Oh, what's that? What's that there? What's that behind the bush? I can't quite see it. What is it? That's the wheel that starts with Y! Yay! Get it focus. Y for Yeti. Hey King, I can't find anything that starts with the letter Z. Or is it Z?
I did a zebra.
It was easy. I did a zucchini.
Does zero count?
Spring break. Kimber rules. Spring break.
Oh, right. I got my Z.
Spring break. Kimber rules. Spring break.
Z for Zamboni.
Come on, young Johnny. Up you get your turn, kid. And give your ABCs photo assignment. All right.
Oh, that's me. Hee hee.
Let's hear it for Johnny.
Hi, everybody.
Spring break.
Ah, shut up. We're lost.
Spring break.